Speaking Test Transcription. Good afternoon. My name is Mary. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Good afternoon. My name is Catherine Miller, but you can just call me Katie.
Thank you. And where are you from?
I'm originally from Chicago, USA, which is a vibrant place known for its rich history and diverse culture.
Let's talk about your hometown. What do you like most about living there?
What I appreciate most is the sense of community. Even though it's a bustling city, people still take the time to look out for one another. Plus, the local cuisine is absolutely incredible.
Do you think your hometown is a good place for young people to live?
Definitely. There are plenty of educational opportunities and a very active nightlife. It's a great environment for someone looking to start a career or just enjoy their youth.
Moving on, let's discuss hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
I'm quite big on outdoor activities. I love hiking and photography because they allow me to disconnect from the digital world and just appreciate nature.
Personal questions. Let's talk about your daily routine. What is the favorite part of your day?
I'd have to say my favorite part is the early morning, right before the city wakes up. It's the only time I can enjoy some peace and quiet while having my coffee and planning out my tasks.
Do you prefer to get up early or stay up late?
I've always been a bit of a night owl, to be honest. I feel like my creativity peaks late at night, although I'm trying to shift toward being an early bird to be more productive during business hours.
Is your routine the same every day?
Not exactly. While I try to keep a consistent schedule for work, I like to keep my weekends flexible. It's important for me to have that balance so I don't feel like I'm stuck in a repetitive cycle.
Let's move on to the topic of music. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I'm really into indie rock and jazz. It usually depends on my mood. If I need to focus, I'll go for some instrumental jazz, but if I'm working out or driving, I prefer something with a bit more energy.
Did you learn to play a musical instrument when you were a child?
I did. My parents signed me up for piano lessons when I was about 7. I wasn't very fond of it back then, but now I'm actually quite grateful because it gave me a solid foundation in music theory.
Like and subscribe to the channel.